Right, so head over to Canva, click on Create a Design, and then click on Facebook Ads, which is 1200 by 628 pixels. That's the right size for your featured image. Now you can choose from these pre-made designs that are in Canva. You can choose any design you like, change the background image, change your text, add your logo, and then the design is ready. But you could also create your own design, which I recommend you do. So you have your own brand image. So you just create a new blank canvas, add your featured image as background, and now we're going to add some stuff on top. You could add your logo, you could add a profile image, you could add an agent image, it's up to you. This lovely lady will do. We're going to remove the background of this image, which makes it look a little bit nicer. And you could then add some text to this. There's some pre-made text designs again that you can use if you want something funky, but you could also just add your own text. Just add a heading and write your name or your company name or whatever slogan you want to use. Personalize that text a little bit, make it smaller, bigger, colors, etc. So you could do all that. It's fairly simple to use this Canva. It's really made for simplicity. And what we'll do next is we're going to add an element to the middle of the image, where we're going to later add a play button, etc. So we're going to change the color of that, and maybe here you can also change a bit of the transparency so it looks nicer. And now we're going to add a CTA button. So let's first add some text and to say click here. What do people have to do with this image? Click here to view, or 360, or view in 360, whatever you would like to add there. And the next thing we're going to do is add a little logo. So you could add the logo in there. You could put it anywhere in your image, really. Let's remove this one because I don't really like that image there. We have a nice image that people see what they can do with the image. You know, this is very important. Instead of a play button, we could also do a 360 icon, which is all available inside Canva. Some of it you have to pay for, some of it's free. So if you have a free account, you might not be able to use this particular icon, but there will be some 360 icons that will be free. Let's remove the logo and put it in the corner, and then we're gonna just add a little play button to it. That might be nice, so people understand what they're doing. Change the colors of your icons, of course, to match your brand. Let's add a little play button. And when you're done, we're gonna now duplicate this particular design, and all you now have to do is just add a new background. So you don't have to go through this whole process again and again and again. You just have one design and just change the background every time you make a new picture. So this will be a lot easier the next time around. So now we're going to download this particular design and stick it on your desktop or wherever you would like it. And we are going to head over to Facebook Debugger, where you can see what the feature image currently looks like, which is one that we made previously. And this is the one that we want to change. So we're going to go into the tour profile in your My360 account. So the profile of the virtual tour that you've created. And we're going to click on Profile Images and add the new image that we've just created in Canva. So go ahead and click Upload it. Just drag it to the screen and click on Upload. And then choose Original when you've finished uploading. And as you can see, it's now changed. We click Save, and we're going to go back to the Facebook Debugger to see the results. So if you click on the iframe and copy the link of your virtual tour, and then you add it to the Facebook Debugger, all of this is available in the comments of this video or on this blog. You can see where you have to go and where you have to click. And if you click Scrape again, then after just a few seconds, you should see the new image that we've just created. So this is what it will look like on Facebook.